I'm Chan. I'm a UBA student. I'm from Malaysia and currently working in Brunei in the car after sales industry. This is a great experience in a sense that it brings out the practical part of the day-to-day usage for this type of theories. Oh yeah, of course it's useful. It's useful for both business application as well as for your day-to-day application of it in the house, with your friends, whatever. Yeah, highly recommend it to not only postgraduate students but as well as those management team within an organization, because they need to know all this so that they grow together.